Welcome to this quick guide on how to remove stories from your highlights on Instagram. Whether you're looking to update your profile or simply want to declutter, it's a straightforward process. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile and highlights. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile page, where you can see all your posts and highlights. Once you're on your profile, look under your bio for the highlight you want to edit. Highlights are displayed in a circular format just below your bio section. Find the one that contains the stories you wish to remove. Now click and hold on the highlight you want to edit. This action will prompt a menu to appear with various options for managing that highlight. From the menu that appears, choose Edit Highlight. This will open up a new screen where you can see all the stories included in that highlight. Here comes the crucial part. Unselect the stories you want to remove. You'll see check marks next to each story currently included in the highlight. Just tap on any story you wish to remove, and the check mark will disappear, indicating it's been unselected. Finally, once you've made your selections, click Done. This will save your changes and update the highlight accordingly. Your profile will now reflect these updates, showcasing only the stories you want to keep visible. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully removed stories from your Instagram highlight. Remember, keeping your highlights fresh and relevant is a great way to engage with your followers and present an organized profile. Happy Instagramming!